I've been going through this situation right now, and I've been having some struggle putting my thoughts into actions. So for example, in business, I'm like, I know what I want to build this business to, not the specific YouTube channel, but another secret one. But then I don't know how to put it into action and plan it down. And in this video, I will help you guys do that while taking it through my day. So the first thing that helped me get on track and kind of visualize what I want is like taking inspiration from online, so like pictures, photos, writing down notes. I did that and taped them on my wall, my desk setup. This is kind of for my secret business, which you can kind of figure out. It's a clothing brand right now, so that's in the works. So these images are just kind of the style I want the clothing brand to go towards. These are not permanent. I will be changing them from time to time, reflecting on what I'm thinking or what I want to be inspired by. So right now I have like a little note on the wall here, kind of emptying my thoughts on the business and everything. So it's very personalized, and this kind of, whenever I walk into my desktop, I walk in and I see all this and I'm like, it reminds me and keeps a style in my head, because sometimes we can forget if we don't write it down or have a picture of it somewhere. That's also great for that. This next thing helped me greatly, and I use it like literally every day. It's something called to-do list, which you can see right now. I don't know if you can see it, but here is my to-do list for the day. I love to-do lists because here's the main thing. You can sign in on your computer, on all your devices. So right now on my computer, my phone, it connects and it syncs with everything. You don't need a specific operating system like Apple or just Windows. No, you can do this with anything. So I can have him, if I'm working on my computer, then I can just check off the list from my computer. If I'm somewhere, so my phone, I do it off of my phone, which is super helpful. It's very intuitive, lots of stuff you can do. There's obviously a paid version, which is better. I'm selling the free version and I love the free version. I also advocate you don't need to-do list. I do recommend it's free on any device, but you could also use, for example, a notepad and just put a to-do list for the day. If you, at the beginning of the day, if you like write down your to-do list for the day, you know what you have to do, you know order of operations. It just helps you get through your day more productive, because sometimes we have a bunch of things to do, and if we don't organize them to different days, then we kind of get mixed up, stuck, and we end up never doing them. That's why having a to-do list is good, digital or physical, just on a piece of paper. The next thing, another thing that will help you visualize your goals and your dreams and put into a plan form, is journaling every day. So this journal, very good friend of mine gave it to me. I like this one because it has verses on the bottom of the pages. And actually, here's one thing I do with journaling. I don't pressure myself into writing like 10 paragraphs a day. I write what's on my mind. So for example, let's see, find this long one. Look at how long this is. This is ultra long. And literally look at this one. It's just like a phrase. So I recommend journaling. Helps with a lot of stuff. Kind of, you can empty your mind into it. And it's kind of like a side friend that you can always talk to that doesn't reply back. That's all I have for you guys about how to turn your thoughts into tangible actions and plans. So now I'll just take you through my day. I have some stuff to complete in the to-do list, so we will do that.
Let's put on the podcast, Haunted Cosmos, because their podcast is amazing. Go check them out.
So guys, I've been actually into customizing my clothes. What I mean by that is I've been cutting up like different shirts and like shortening the length because they're too long. So we are gonna do that right now. Show you the process real quickly. It's really fun. We got all our supplies here, so we're gonna do it. That's it. Did some productive stuff on some shirts, check some things off on my to-do list. Told you guys how to put your thoughts, write them down, and put them into a plan so you can put that plan into action. It's good if you have a business, it's good for that. I'm still learning too, so you guys are learning right along with me. It's gonna be a fun journey. Make sure to subscribe because there'll be a lot more content like this, obviously longer, more detailed, but this is just the beginning of a new era of everything. So make sure you subscribe. See you guys later. Peace.